Acupuncture is an effective method for treating asthma, although the underlying mechanism is not clear. This protocol mimics acupuncture in a clinic to study these mechanisms in animal model.
The main advantage of this technique is that the high platform can be used to fix the rats without the restriction, allowing full exposure of the dorsal acupoints.
Beginners should have basic right handling skills and should practice inserting the acupuncture needles into a piece of cardboard before attempting to treat animals.
Visualization of the technique will help beginners to become familiar with the skills necessary to successfully perform the experiment.
The length and width of the supporting device should be 86 by 17 centimeters. Vertically affix a 30 centimeter long by 14 centimeter wide connecting device to the supporting device and fix a 5 by 5 centimeter horizontal pedal to the connecting device. The suspended height at the bottom of the horizontal pedal should be greater than or equal to 50 centimeters. For ova sensitization, grab and lift the tail of an adult rat and place the animal on a rough surface while gently pulling back on the tail. Firmly but gently grasp the skin of both ears and neck with the left thumb and index finger while tightly holding the back skin with the remaining 3 fingers and palm. And use